Namaste, viewers. On the occasion of Independence Day, we always like to salute the rising sun. But what we forget in this due course is um, there are very youngsters and many soldiers who have sacrificed their very valuable life for the protection or the safety of our nation. And that's why we are celebrating our both the days, the Republic Day and the Independence Day. We all love to watch the March past, but we do not know the hardship and the sacrifice behind it, not only by the soldiers but their families as well. So today I have a wonderful person with me. Her name is Anuradha Goreji. She is a mother of Amar Jawan Captain Vinayak Gore. All of us have heard about her, we have seen her, but today I got a chance to speak to her. So let me welcome to my program Anuradha Maushi, I call her. So Suswagatam Maushi.
Namaskar.
Namaskar. Uh, Anuradha Maushi, I know that every time you sit with the photograph of Captain Vinayak, or you hear from somebody, or this subject comes up, your feelings must be mixed. One is proud, second one is definitely with a lot of grief, but proud is moment is more prominent, I would say. So, are the parents of soldiers different than the ordinary parents, ma?
A little bit.
Okay,
Means, each and everybody loves the child. They care
absolutely.
for it and try their best to make him the wonderful person in the world.
Person.
Only the difference is they are ready to take the risk. And I think that so many times they know what the others have done for the motherland. So we are very proud that we are one of them. Not all, but we are one of them. So that feeling is there because grooming is different. Grooming is a
Yes,
little bit different.
yes,
Only the bookish knowledge is not enough. Sports, in addition to that, some n number of activities you have to engage your child with.
true.
I was sending him to the trekking, hiking.
Huh.
He was good football player, hockey player, and n number of things. A lot of reading is required because
Yeah,
he must be a good orator also because he has
yes,
to command the soldiers.
true.
So to convince them, he has to be big orators. So
Very
that is
true.
a
And I
little
think when you you train them in these multiple things, that's what the patriotism also becomes more prominent, more strong.
yes,
Yeah.
part of their identity or
Identity.
individual personality.
Very true. Very true.
Leadership qualities, basically.
Yes, yes, yes. Uh, we will not talk about this topic immediately, but what um promise did he take from you when he was in the forces? What did he ask you to do
Uh,
as a mother of a soldier?
yeah. See what happens now. We don't know some small things, and the children also don't tell us. But
Hmm.
if the mission is very, very difficult task, then so many times they are sent home for few days to stay with their parents.
Hmm.
So likewise, he came to us
Hmm.
before all these things happened. He was with us just 10-15 days.
Okay.
And at that time, he was knowing what is going to happen afterwards.
Mhm.
So he took me promise that if something happens untowards, then you will not cry because you are a proud mother of a captain. And in addition to that, if I must get a what we can say a reward or a chakra or something like that when I'm alive. But if it is not that possible, then after my death, you will be receiving it proudly without tears in your eyes.
Hmm. That's a very bold
Yeah,
statement and
yeah,
situation also.
yeah.
Okay, okay. You know what, Moshe, we see all such wonderful, glorious programs on TV, and we hear the narration by our respective anchors of that program. But it's not as simple as it looks like, and it's not as easygoing as the parents, they present it the way you are also casually taking it. I'm sure it is not so easy to face on that day and later on as well. And it's a everyday missing the child.
I say like this that within the four walls of my house, I'm the mother of Vinay, or
Uh-huh.
we were calling him Vinu.
We know, yes.
As soon as we step out of the door,
Hmm.
I become the mother of a Captain Vinayak.
Hmm.
So this changeover has now become my habit. So inside the house,
Hmm.
I'm typical mother of
Hmm.
any other child.
Child, right. What was Operation Rakshak, ma?
Rakshak is going on. Only the thing is now it is called as Operation All Out.
All out. Okay.
Attankabad is not a new thing. It in
Mm-hmm.
Kashmir, it is right from there, from 47. If you
Yeah.
study the all wars from 47, Attankabad was there,
Yeah.
and it grew more and more after the Bangladesh war.
Hmm.
And Pakistan found that it is not easy for them to win the war
Mm-hmm.
straight away with the Indians.
Mm-hmm.
And that is why they started this strategy. It is called as a Cold War or a
Mm-hmm.
proxy war or whatever war you may call it.
Mm-hmm.
So thousands and thousands of Atirekis are trained.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes the Kashmiris are also taken over because the border is very porous, no?
True.
So they can go there, take a training and come back. So
Oh.
to have the something, you have to take some action,
Hmm.
and that is called as Operation Rakshak. Just like RR is raised after that,
Hmm.
and RR is taking care of this Atankawadis.
Hmm. Now that you have said this, I had planned to ask this question later, but now I will ask you this question right now. Um, Vashi, man making is missing in our society terribly, and you know what? We, as a citizen, large at large now actually,
Mm-hmm.
take pride in calling the shortcomings of my nations very loudly. I like to pass comments on my failures. I like to shout anti-national slogans very loudly. And also, I feel that every government policy and every government step taken is not good for the society, is what my idea has come to that level. What is that required to, make this patriotism and also the proud feeling about the nation and everything at large? What is required? What kind of a big change is required?
See, being the principal of the school, I
Yes.
can tell n number of things on it. Means we should have different program for that. But
Yeah. Huh.
initially, I can tell you that because of our educational policy,
Huh.
educational policy. And
Yeah.
secondly, nowadays parents don't like to send them to the state government schools,
Yeah. Yeah.
but ICSE, CBSE, and their
Yes.
portion is very different.
Yes.
Next is the educational policy is influenced by the डाव्या विचारसरणी जो हम बोलते हैं
Yeah. Yeah.
left.
Leftist. Yeah.
So our history was taught very in different way.
Very
In
different way.
addition
Yes.
to that, after 1947, uh, we have forgotten that we have to do something for the nation.
Hmm.
Everything is given free, and
Hmm.
free by the government.
Hmm.
And that is the reason I think we are only asking this, I want that, I want that. But I'm not ready to give something. Take a simple example in crores and crores of population, how
Hmm.
many people are there who are paying the tax sincerely?
Hmm.
It is from there. We are not ready to obey the simple rules.
Yeah.
And it has become a fashion, as you say.
Yeah.
And we take a pride that my child is going abroad and
Yeah.
earning so and so, such a bigger packet.
Yes.
But beyond that, there is something, and that we fail to. So, not only the children, but parents are to be also taught in different way. At present, means last few years, I'm working on the forgotten kings and kingdoms,
Hmm.
and my motive is only
Hmm.
that we must realize how many sacrifices we have made throughout the years. The first aggression is in 3024 before ईस्वी सन पूर्व जो ग्रीक आए
Yes. Yes. Huh.
उसके बाद thousands and thousands families have sacrificed,
Yes.
but we don't know them.
Yeah.
How was our culture? Now so many people, not only me, but so many people are working in different direction.
Yeah.
Our culture, this मंदिर जो होते हैं उनकी
Yes.
culture, n
जी
number
जी
of things.
बिल्कुल.
So when it will be highlighted,
Yeah.
automatically the parents and the children will feel proud about their country. That's the only thing.
Hmm. I think somebody has to glorify it once again.
Yes.
Yeah, wonderful. When did you give your first speech after Viragati of Captain Vinu?
Yeah. There are some two, three interesting stories.
Hmm.
Just after 1 month, I got a call from Thana school,
Acha.
and Indira Gandhinchi Punyatithi. That was the reason.
Okay. Okay.
And they asked me to come. So I said, no problem.
Hmm.
Now, again, after a few days, Akhil Bharati Vidyarthi Parishad, and they are having their 30th this celebration, a 30th year celebration,
Hmm.
and all over Maharashtra,
Hmm.
in I think around 3,000 this their karyakartas were present, and Dadasaheb Phonde auditorium, big program. I think at that time Arun Shauri was Indian Express
Editor.
editor. He was also there, and Dandekar, Kamalink, he was also present over there, and I was called. Going in public, my husband was little bit no, 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 no. Means why you want to
Reluctant.
public
Yeah.
yourself? Because he's a feeling, his feeling.
Yeah.
Afterwards, he also got changed, means only because of the love for his son, not only that. But
Absolutely.
two of my friends,
Hmm.
they forced me, no, no, you have to go, and I will take you over there. And then we saw how we welcomed her there, how the crowd was speechless. At that time, whatever I was going to say, I was written properly of Foolscape, and I was just reading it, but acting just like speaking spontaneously.
Wonderful.
But the applause and the
Yeah.
standing ovation
Action.
and
Hmm.
all that.
Hmm.
So I thought that it is my responsibility. If
Hmm.
my little speech can inspire so much to
Hmm.
the youngsters,
Hmm.
then it is my responsibility. And then it went on, went on. Then I took a oath that I will at least go to the 100 schools and colleges. But that number, when I crossed, I don't know.
Yes, yes, you have gone to n number of schools and colleges, and you are talking about it. That's a
Yeah.
beautiful initiative. So, Maushi, one very
I think I will like to add, because as you are
please,
talking to the other
please,
Martyrs country also,
please.
my life, I did not stop there only.
Uh-huh.
Okay, it is moving just like a river. So every day is a new for me, and every day there is a different experience. So
Hmm.
my talk becomes, or I can versify myself in a number of this,
True.
and that is the reason I can go and talk.
It gives you new energy and new motivation every day. Very true. Very
Yeah.
true. Now, one very critical question, Maushi. You know what? In spite of losing the only son, why do you want to advise youngsters to join forces?
Then who else will do the protection of the country?
Okay.
At present, we know that all the borders, we are having the risk from all the sides.
Yes.
There is
Yes.
no need to tell it. All of you are educated,
Yes.
and that will be there. So, who will protect them?
Hmm.
And we are having very wrong conceptions.
Hmm.
What will happen
Hmm.
if he becomes wounded?
Hmm.
What will happen after his death?
Hmm.
Not only that, but so many parents are worried that
Hmm.
they retire at very young age. So, what
Hmm.
do they do after retirement?
Later, what will they
So
do? Hmm.
I have all the answers, and army takes care of it, Navy, Air Force, they take
Yes.
care of it.
Yes.
And I think you can do at least a short service commission,
Hmm.
and the rest of life is there.
Hmm.
And I can give you thousands and thousands of examples.
Hmm.
After retirement, they have done the wonderful job.
Yeah.
A simple example, Captain Hambirrao Mohite.
Hmm.
He is the first person, means Maharashtra Cooperative Sugar Mill. He is the founder of that. He was appointed on n number of banks. He is the one of the pioneer of Satara Saini School and Aurangabad Preparatory Schools.
Mhm.
He has a big farm at the age of 92, who can manage the 90 acres farm with latest technology. So it is one of the examples. I think you are from Bangalore? No.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. So in Bangalore, there was some Magoda or something, that big industrialist is there. He
Yes.
was also Kargil Martyr,
Hmm.
but people were knowing him only as a one corporate person,
Corporate
owner of
person.
so many
Yeah.
companies. But
Yeah.
basically, he's a Kargil veteran.
Veteran.
So many stories I can tell you. If it is a wounded,
Hmm.
then they are given special education, QMTI, Queen's Mary Technical Institute.
Hmm.
They are given special allowance also.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
whatever they want to learn, they can
Hmm.
learn over there 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. And they can complete the education, and then they retire with full faith in them.
Hmm.
Either they can join the government services, or they can start up on their
Their
businesses.
own businesses. Okay.
Yes. And as a martyr,
Hmm.
I have a number of examples to show you. If I just kept on crying, then nobody will ask me.
True.
But if I will keep on moving, then people are there in India
Yeah.
who just still feel that
Huh.
sacrifice is great,
Hmm.
and they respect you.
Definitely, we too feel the same, and we are really proud of all our soldiers, and we have a great pride when we see them, not only on 26th Republic Parade Day, but also otherwise when because as you know that in Bangalore also we have a lot of training schools
Yes,
of all three branches. And
yes.
when we go to tie Rakhi to them on Rakhi Purnima, there are n number of youngsters because it's a training school, so very young children are there under training, young cadets. When we tie the Rakhi to them, you should see the amount of grace and affection they share with us, as if their own sister is tying Rakhi to them, and they make snacks for us. They feed us, and I very well remember, Maushi, 2 years back when I tied a young cadet of Air Force, Raki, and he was from Maharashtra. So I spoke to him in Marathi and I said, Dada, in case if I go to, let's say, Himalaya or some place, and if you are on duty there, if you are posted there, and if the landslide happens, please save me. So, so he immediately responded saying that, Tai, first I will save you, and then I will look after myself. So don't you worry. If you when you are, just let me know. So that is the relationship we have with our soldiers, and there is nothing to be scared of this profession. Moshi, one very unfortunate situation in our nation, but still, those who do not even know our geography properly, hmm, and but they are ruling our democracy. They are dictating the terms and conditions. How is it justified?
The new government, present government, Modi government, is for the soldiers. Not only that, but they are doing n number of things. Means directly or indirectly, the pension.
One
It
army, yes,
happened for so many years.
yes,
One rank, one pension.
yes,
Not only that, being the infrastructure they are doing. Infrastructure is very very important. Not
very
only for
true,
the it
very
is
true.
for the defense first people also. Not
Yes,
only that, but there was no war memorial
yeah,
in last 70 years.
yes,
He has
yes,
kept that promise and war memorial is
yes,
there.
yes,
Not only that, but they are doing a number of things. I must say
absolutely,
that they are doing it. And
yes,
Sena is very happy. Bipin Rawat. It was 19 from 1971 war. They were having this type of we must work together.
mm,
There should be one command,
mm,
and now it has happened now.
mm,
So I hope people will understand it.
mm,
At the parliament, what they are doing, they must be thinking that we are doing something great. But
yes,
all the taxpayers, nobody is happy with their behavior.
definitely not.
So they will have to pay the price in this way or that way.
True, and on personal ground also, our honorable Prime Minister will spend all
Yeah,
most of the festivals with soldiers and
yes.
give them that oneness and ownness feeling.
If you ask them who is the means the dearest Sanrakshan Mantri, so they will call George Fernandez
Uh-huh.
because every Christmas he was sending cake to each and every soldier on the front.
Right.
That is the thing.
That is the relationship. Um, when did you? I think you had written lot many books also, and as you say that you have written it on almost every chapter, which people are not aware of, and they are not heard of.
Aspects, yes, so many
Yes,
aspects I have tried to
yes,
cover, and
yes,
so many are left out also.
yes. I know, but not many of that you have covered, which were
Yeah.
not at all remembered, looked into, or nobody even was aware of it. How many books have you written, Oshi? And little bit about it. I mean, we can't cover everything, I know, but still,
Again, as I told you, there must be a separate program for
program
that.
on it. Yes.
My first book was on the Martyrs of Mumbai.
Huh,
Then second book was All the Wars.
huh,
But in short and small stories about it. And the next was again, if you go take any war, any operation,
hmm,
then the whole operation is there itself.
hmm,
But for every unit
huh.
and every soldier, the war is different.
Yes.
So each and every soldier has a different story to tell, and all are very encouraging and different type of stories which we know, which we don't experience ourselves, which are not believable. We can't imagine, and I have collected such stories. So on that, I have written four books called Shaurya
Mm-hmm.
and or a different book. And Vivekananda Kendra has assured me that they will publish 5 parts like that. In
Mm-hmm.
addition to that, the Wounded Soldier QMTI, when they were completing 100 years, I have written on that. Then
Mm-hmm.
1971 war, it will now 50 years will be complete now. On that, I have written different pustak. Then the book which was very very popular and which is very popular is on Siachen.
Yes.
Very difficult.
Yes.
And again, that Kargil here. Again, there was a research paper done by me.
Hmm.
War widows, war mothers, and parents,
Huh,
and
huh.
their problems and solution.
Hmm.
And on that, I have written a book about war. This a family just like me, but they are doing something different. Now from Bangalore only, Mahavir Chakra Vijeta,
Hmm.
Colonel Venugopal,
Ji.
Forever 40. I have translated that book in Marathi. So just like that, there are 27 books. Some of them are on different topics, just like Katha Sagar or that Kari Umal
Huh.
Tana, but all are real stories.
Yes.
Abhyas means Abhyasachi Bhiti Kashala, that is on based on the study methods.
Huh.
We tell our child to study, but study methods are there from ancient time. And if we follow those methods, then the study becomes very easy. There is no need to just mug up each and everything.
Ah.
So I was working for Yashwantrao Chauhan University also on this particular topic. I was conducting the workshop. So anybody can refer it to any time. So just like that, some
Writing journey has started and it's gone long
20
way.
steps, 20 steps.
20. Okay. Now that you just mentioned, Mashi, Siachen is
Huh.
the most critical camp, and it's like a curse to our army jawans, because somebody's decision has made it really difficult for people. What inspired you to write a book on it? Because this area was almost not explored for long many years. Maybe now people know about it little bit, but for many years we had no idea about it. And it's like freezing temperature, no water facility, no even little bit of supplies, like even one screw. It's like a crores of money is spent because everything has to go by chopper there. So what is your first of all, could you visit that place, one, and second thing, what inspired you to write about it?
We can't visit that place at all.
Oh.
See, just like me, there is one another family, Kapadia.
Hmm.
After 1971 book, we are having very close relations. So I visited Geeta,
Huh.
mother of Captain, not Captain, Second Lieutenant
Huh.
Nawang, and his father.
Huh.
It is said that he knows more in detail Kashmir than any other soldier also, because he takes the expeditions in that age. He was the first citizen to
Huh.
visit the Siachen along with foreign tourists or what we can say the expedition लेकर वो जाते हैं.
जी.
So when I gave a gift of that book 71 War, then he immediately gave me the book of on Siachen. That was not on Siachen. It was a history of all expeditions. It is started by Americans and British people, and it was carried out like that, and like that. So when I was going through the book, I completed a Battle of Roses. So
Huh.
when I complete that book, then I
Huh.
thought that such a difficult place.
Huh.
Then what our soldiers are doing over
Hmm.
there. When we go for expedition, it is for 1 or 2 days. We go along with all the means what we can say. We are
Preparation.
yes, money is not a problem for
No.
them. We have to be there only for
Yes.
few seconds and then retire,
Yes.
then
Yes.
retreat back.
Yes.
But the soldier has to perform a duty not only for 1 or 2 days,
True. True.
but minimum 90 days. If
Yes.
something happens, then he comes back. That's the different
True.
thing.
True.
90 days, and how must be he living when it started? And to our surprise, up to 79, our government was have not done anything. Not a single soldier was posted. There was not a single post, and Pakistan was using it. They were giving the advertisement in foreign papers that anybody wants to visit Karakoram and Hindu Kush, then they should approach us. We will give them the permission and we will help
Oh.
them out for the tour. And not only that, but with every tour they were giving the team of a soldiers who were
Hmm.
regular Pakistani soldiers in
Hmm.
simple uniform. So when it was brought to the notice of government of India, they did not care about it. Then Colonel Kumar, when he brought out, when some party went to him and he showed the map of Siachen. he was astonished because Sena was not having the map of this. So how he had a map? So from NASA, it is possible. It was the answer. He has to buy that map and has to present it to the government office, not the government, because government what response? Same like that. Just like take a simple example because I have to prepare for that. Our Colonel Thorat in 1959 he presented the situation of Nepal, what the China will do and what we have to do. Then straight away Menon showed him the door, not ready to listen to that. The same will happen to this also. So he went to that department and somehow the all the things then started. Say, initially we started sending the Sainik, but it was not a Sainik. This means just like other travelers or other students of expedition school, they are visiting the Karakoram, Kumar Post, and all these things, and it all started like that. But before our soldiers reach over there, in 1983, the Pakistan had already established a Bana post. Now it was called as a Quetta post on Siachen. And to get back that post was a Hercules job. We have to lost so many soldiers. Not first attempt, first, second, third attempt. And then we got back that post and then it was renamed as Bana post.
Bana post.
But though we are telling like that, uh, they themselves call that one who is fortunate will get a posting on Siachen. It
Yeah,
is the toughest one, best one, excellent one, because such a beauty. Anywhere
very
else
true.
you will not get the beauty of the nature like that.
Very true. It's a really courageous place
Yeah,
for any
yeah.
soldier to be at. Um,
And fortunately, I get the person from the first batch,
uh,
83.
uh,
Till the date, I was writing the book from every year. So how the situation goes on changing, that also can be just understand by reading the book.
by reading the book.
And
Yes.
Sarikar himself was present to be.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, I'm very
It's
fortunate.
very
Yeah,
true. Um, Now that we are talking about the sacrifices, uh, still till today, this morning as well, um, either Jammu Kashmir or Naxalite area or down south somewhere, we are losing our precious gems
yes,
due to political mistakes, due to some unwanted decisions, and due to lack of gadgets. Now that situation, as you say, is improving after uh,
little.
a little bit, but it's very, very heart wrenching when we see those bodies wrapped in tricolor and the family is going devastated the moment the person arrives last time to his house, and very young children who do not even understand that it is their father who is inside this tricolor. My heart goes out to these families because it's not only a sacrifice for nation but it's a great loss of the family. They may be getting financially funded, they may be getting properly, even moral support, but they have lost the important person of their family. How do you, boost the moral of such families?
See, I would like to just rectify you few things.
Please.
And the first is it is not only the loss for the family, it
Hmm.
is loss for the nation. Because
Definitely.
if cadet is selected as NDA, then he is the cream of the society.
Very
When
true.
he's selected in OTA or IMA, he is the cream of the society, and we are forgetting. And
Yes.
to train one person, we are the government. Take for example, you want to become a doctor or engineer, you have to spend lakhs and lakhs of rupees. Here, the government spends the amount
Yes.
because they are the what we can say bright
Asset of the
bells of.
nation.
Yeah,
Hmm.
so that is the one thing. Then
Hmm.
moral or support for the family. Unfortunately, there are very few just like you. So
Hmm.
many times they are forgotten. So many times they are forgotten.
Hmm.
Nobody asks them.
Hmm.
Nobody asks them.
Hmm.
Then another thing is whenever I go over there or whenever I meet, there is a group, WhatsApp group
Yes.
of all of us from Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari and Gujarat, Rajasthan to Arunachal Pradesh. We are having one group.
Mhm.
They talk only about their families, only about their families.
Hmm.
Not only that, but I organized a program on 25th in our organization.
Mhm.
I was working in Palachak Vidyalaya, and we are having very big, so many colleges and 26,000
Yes.
crowd.
Yes.
So at that time we invited a few Kargil warriors,
Okay.
and two of them were talking only about them, only about them, only about them. So I told them, we are very lucky to be among all thousands and thousands of people who are sacrificing.
Yes.
The government, the God gives a chance only who are very
Selective.
dear to them, very dear to Him, very dear
Yes.
to God.
Yes.
Such a opportunity. So you have done your duty, and I tell the same thing to the families that you are not alone. You are not alone, and keep yourself busy with something. It may be a farm work. It may be if you are in village, then do some activity. Because if you are alone, see, we also lose our dears and nears, father,
Yes. Yes.
brother,
Yeah.
sister, but we remember them always. Not only that, but that is a different thing. But whenever such incidents happens, then we remember the whole means. जैसे हम मराठी में बोलते हैं अश्वत्थामाची भळवळणारी जखम.
बरोबर.
So like that you are living a life.
Yeah.
So it just every day the same memory, same collection, same thing. So I
Yes.
tell them always be yourself,
Hmm.
and you are different. Never your life that pride and honor. You never let it down. Anybody should not dare to defame you,
Yes.
and you always remember you are a proud mother, sister, whatever it may be, of a soldier who has sacrificed their life. And not only that, but in society also, there are so many evils are there, and against that you have to stand as a soldier. If you get to know that others problems is bigger than us, then your problem automatically means जैसे हम मराठी में बोलते हैं ना, there is always said that there are two lines, and somebody asked them to make a
छोटी लाइन को बड़े कैसे करना है, तो उसके साथ में बड़ी लाइन खींच दो तो वो अपने आप छोटी हो जाती है. बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल. What is that you think as a woman we can do for the martyr, not only families, even our soldiers who are at the border, who are at a very critical position? What can we do from sitting from here for them? Not physically, maybe all of us cannot go there, but what can we do from here?
Uh, some people are doing it for so many years, sending Rakhis and
Yes.
Diwali. That is the one part.
Yes.
But according to me, more than that, what is important is at present all the civilians should stand up and say to the Modi. जैसे हम मराठी में बोलते हैं कि if there is a big tree,
Hmm.
then to finish that tree, what is required is you have to cut the root. So
Right.
here all the problem is with the Pakistan.
Huh.
So cut that root.
Cut that rope.
But that should not come from government. Government be planning, I don't know. Because we have already sent a letter like that, all martyrs family coming together. But all citizens, it should be the demand of the citizens that now we want the POK back. And whoever is saying, he may be Amir Khan or he may be Javed Akhtar, whoever is saying that we in India democracy and our freedom is in danger, kick him out. Kick him out. And why you are giving so much importance to them? Finish it, and only you can do it. Civilians can do it. So civilians has to rise up for the soldiers. They can't go on the border, but there is no need of it. You can sitting from home, make the groups, and whenever it happens, Javed Akhtar, yes, we will not listen to his poem. If he is creating a picture, and in that picture it is shown defaming
Defaming
our
of nation. Huh.
defaming the nation, then kick him out. Kick him out. Boycott him, whoever he may be, Shah Rukh Khan or Salman Khan or any other thing. So you don't have so many people are there like that. So you have to boycott them.
Yeah.
That is the only thing you can do. And for the next election, you have to be prepared from now on. Though you are BJP, I am not a BJP Karyakarta. I am not the Swayamsevak of BJP. Still, I feel that who is at present doing the right thing for it,
Yes.
I must be with that particular party.
Hmm.
So you have to prepare for that because Modi is the last hope, I think, to get back the POK. The person who is working for the nation, yes, we are with them.
Yeah. I think
Just like
everyone.
Anibani, just like Anibani at the time of Anibani,
Yes.
small, what we can say, housewives like just like us, we gave up the whole month, a month,
Yes.
dead month, whatever it may be,
Yes.
for that election. The same thing we
Election.
have to do for. Take a simple example, Bhagyanagar.
Hmm.
If you go to the ancient times, it is
Hmm.
never a Hyderabad. It was Bhagyanagar only.
Bhagyanagar only. Yes. Yeah,
Bhagyanagar.
there are many such
Yeah,
monuments which are ruined, and now we have to again once again find our roots and our cultural heritage. Very true. Very
yeah.
true. I think every citizen should have as burning feelings as you are telling, and you are showing also in everything that you are talking. Uh,
One more suggestion for the senior citizens.
Please.
Nowadays, it has become a fashion.
Uh,
Not nowadays, but
uh,
last few years,
uh,
like a voluntary retirement. You
uh,
are having big pension and
uh,
all that. The children are settled down, and
yes.
now the people say that we want to enjoy our life.
Yes.
Whatever the hobbies we couldn't pursue, we want to do it. But I think it should be your last priority. Though you are retired, you are very
Capable.
because of medical help you get it, you
Yes.
are in good condition, so
Yes.
give your time and energy to the society.
Hmm. Very true. Very
Yeah.
true. I echo the same. People should spend time for the betterment of the weaker section and educating other people and supporting
Yeah.
the society, and
Yeah.
not only spending their energy, time, and money in enjoyment. Maybe some portion, yes, but not the entire life for that. Very true. Thank you so much for your time and that wonderful discussion.
Uh,
I think every mother should be as courageous as you and as patriot as you, so that all the children become Captain Vinayak, and their mother will be proud the way you are proud of him today. Thank you so much.
yeah.
Jai Hind.
Thank you. Thank you. Jai Hind.